everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today I'm in my craft room right now. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a purse made out of paper. These are the materials you'll need. You're going to need tape. I'm using this tape because we ran out of the other tape. So you need tape, pieces of paper, and markers. They can be markers, colored pencils, or crayons. And you will need scissors. You'll need scissors. So first, you get your piece of paper. You can make it into any shape you want, but it has to be the same on both. So first, you fold top to bottom in lines, and then you're going to keep it like this, and then you're going to get any color you want. You can use any color you want. You can make a design on here, you can draw stuff on here, anything you want. So I'm going to be using the color red, tan, and this dark pink. I'm going to be scribbling and making little twirls. So I'm just going to be, you can make any design you want. And on both sides, but not inside. Not inside, okay? Alright, so, and I'm going to do it on this side. Second side. Alrighty. So when you're done coloring, you can totally pause the video to color and stuff. And then next, you have your piece of paper with your design or anything you want on it. Next, you're going to get a piece of tape. See, you're going to measure it. So you can do this. I need that much tape. So you're going to get that much tape. Think that'd be enough. And then this is what you're going to do. So you're going to get half of the tape and put it on here. Half of the tape. Like that, half of it. And if there's extra, just cut that off. And you can throw it away because we don't need it. And then you are going on this end, you're going to fold it and stick it on here. And then you have to still do it on this side, even though it's bent and it's still closed. Sorry, I said clothes. So, but you have to tape 3 sides, not 4, because you need one to open. It can be this side, you don't tape, this side you don't tape, or this side you don't tape. It can be any side. So then, gonna put it down like that. The exact same thing. Then you're gonna cut it, the extra. Yep, you're gonna cut the extra, and then with the sticky part, you're gonna fold it. Folds, there. And there might be a few extras, so you just cut it. This is a very unique, easy craft. It can be a bag for your mom, for a storage for your dog's treats. It can be anything. Oh, I forgot to add the color on this side. Sorry, real quick. So then, you have to keep one open like this, so it's a little bag, but don't tape the one of them. See, I can put it inside. Then you're gonna get tape, and you're gonna tape the whole cover on both sides. But remember, now tape this. So, get tape, By the way, you can totally pause this video to do this and then redo it. Well, if you want. I'm not gonna beg you to. So you're just gonna tape the whole thing, whole side. Alright, you're just going to tape the whole side. You can do it with any type of tape, but it has to be clear. I'm using this tape because we ran out. So, I'm going to tape, almost done. Okay, tape the whole side. Then when you're done taping the whole side, you're going to tape the other side. But by the way, do not put these bags in water because they are not waterproof. Yeah. They can be a little extra at the top. Just snip that off. So you're almost done. I'm almost done. And then when you're done taping, and a little extra on the side, you are done. So you have a little bag that is soft, so it doesn't get all criminally with the paper. And then you can put things in there, like imagine my scissors. I can put some scissors in here, carry it on. So this is the purse craft. Bye everybody, hope you enjoy it.